everyone. Today I'm going to give you a few points on narrative writing. What do you mean by narrative writing? It's nothing but simply writing a story. A narrative essay is a piece of writing that recreates your own emotions, your feelings, or purely your imagination. Provides the writer with an opportunity to share their imagination, creativity, skill, and understanding of nearly all elements of writing. Be a structure for writing a story. That is, set the scene by introducing your characters, setting, and time of the story. Establish whom, when, and where in the parts of your narrative. For example, there's a wonderful saying that a story should have a very good beginning, a middle, and an end. Complication and events, that is the middle. You know, while reading a novel or a story, there are some conflicts that the author or the writer tries to create in the story to make it so interesting. So, in this section, activities and events involving your main characters are expanded upon. These events are written in a cohesive and fluent sequences. For example, in the middle of the story, you can use some imageries and some sensory details to impress the reader. Also, you can use certain dialogues, very few, which help you to engage the reader, and it adds some realistic feelings also. Okay, now the resolution, that is the end of the story, where your complications is resolved in this session. Okay, does not have to be a happy outcome, however, but according to the question or your imagination, you can write. The main elements of your essay should be the setting, that is, when and where, the time and the place the story is or was occurred. Characters, that means who are involved in the story. Actually, the next step is there's a saying no problem, no story. The why and the what. So there should be definitely a conflict in the story which gives a life to the story or makes it more interesting. And the climax, that is the how things come to a head. And finally, the resolution, tying up the loose ends, that is how all the problems, all the conflicts get solved. In short, an introduction, a complication, a series of events, a resolution, and a conclusion. And always there will be a moral for every story. Okay. See, introduction. This includes who, what, where information. Who is in the story, what is happening, and where is the story set. A complication. Narratives usually have some kind of problems for the main characters. There will be a series of events. Several events you have to tie up. It is happening in the story. Are you getting? As the main characters attempt to solve those conflicts. Resolution. A complication is solved. How the conflict is being solved by the characters. Conclusion. The narrative finishes with a concluding paragraph to sum up the story for the character. Finally, for every story, there will be a moral. Sometimes the characters in the narrative learn a lesson or a moral about the life. You understood the lesson, and your homework is write a story ends up with a sentence that's how all my dreams come true. Thank you so much for your patient listening.